how did you get into film? Because of this woman, the
No.
mother, who was the
I mean,
film?
So films were not a taboo in our family, right? Like my mother they'd take us occasionally to watch films and all when we didn't have tests and all. But actually what brought me here was Chitrahar. I am a late 80s, 90s child. So I remember the time when there was, which was pre-cable. पहली बार जब हमने cable देखा ना, मैं हो गए थे. Like we were at Chapcord, and then the next day I failed my maths test. So my father was like, cable काटो. तो हमें बड़े सालों तक केबल नहीं था. तो मेरे जिंदगी में था डीडी मेट्रो और डीडी नेशनल, ठीक है. और उस पे आता था चित्रहार और सुपर हिट मुकाबला जो बाबा सहगल अपने क्रू कट के साथ वो होस्ट करते थे. वो पक्कची की पाइप 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 पुम पुम एंड ऑल दैट. आई वाज लाइक वाओ, बाबा सहगल इज सच अ हीरो एंड ही इज ग्रेट फन. आई एक्चुअली मेट हिम. So he starts all his speeches and also with Pakachiki pipe, pum pum. And I was like, I'm not going on to stage after that because I can't beat that. But yeah, so I was obsessed with Chitrahar and Super Hit Mukabla and I wanted to be in it because I was like, this is great fun. Now, my shitty life of doing maths homework and like science and all EVS. No, these people are living the life. And that's literally how I landed up in Bombay.
What is EVS?
Environmental
science.
मेरे ज़माने में नहीं थी.
But anyway, yeah, so I came to Bombay like every other, I think, dreamer stroke struggler with the desire to be a star.
How many years ago?
Oh, many. 2008.
Wow.
7, 8, end of 7, 8. So what is now? We're 25. मेरी मैथ्स काफी हल्की है. क्या 16-17 साल?
तो what's next? आप acting कर रही थी. आपने इतनी, you are one of the greatest actors of all times.
Right.
I have people on our set. I have people texting me how lucky I am to be sitting next to you. आप अब अम्मी बन गई हैं, पर अब एक्ट्रेस कब फिर से बनेंगी?
I feel like I feel like I never stopped being an actor. He said this to me, you know, and I remember that it was before we started dating, but it was like we were coming up to the, you know, when he was turning from a friend into a lover or stroke boyfriend. Oops. But so I remember him once saying to me, I'd invited him for the premiere of one of my films, and that had released in 22, Jahan Char Yaar. And I'd worked very hard on that role because it was, you know, it's the role of a very scared and hysterical housewife. So I'd called him, and he watches more films than me.
That's why she has to work hard because she's opposite that. No?
So then he watched and he came out and he said to me, you know, Swara, तूने सही में sacrifice किया यार ये अपने इस politics और इसके चक्कर में, क्योंकि तू सही में इतनी अच्छी actor है ना, that it's a personal sacrifice that you've made.
And you know,
at that moment I felt, I felt so seen because the thing is not, you know, the thing is, all right, whatever the controversies, the backlash, all that is all rubbish. That's noise. But the fact is that what I love my work. My truest self is in front of the camera when I'm interpreting whatever the role is.
So you have to get back. तो अब कैसे करोगे? वो हमें बताइए. आपके दिमाग में क्या journey है इसके लिए?
I'm writing a story, which is a very small story that I want to shoot and produce myself. And it has just 2 main actors in it. So it's a very small film.
You and Fahad?
No.
Fahad is good for large live audiences, like a neta. I'm hoping to cast a very talented poet and actor. Some of you will know him. His name is Amir Aziz. So he was also someone I met in the CNRC protest. So it's a friendship story between 2 people. Very lovely. So I'm writing that, and I haven't really ever spoken about this, but I think you have a knack for getting people to tell the truth.